Yard hydrants are great until they aren't. Many hydrants are designed to do minor repairs without digging, but when corrosive soil eats through the pipe, when your hydrant freezes and cracks, or you back into your hydrant with your truck, these repairs can take time, cost a lot of money, and leave your yard in shambles. Setman Enterprises has the solution, the Hydrant Assit Kit. The Hydrant Assit Kit allows you to repair or replace your hydrant from the surface. You won't need to dig up your hydrant, which saves you time, money, and keeps your yard looking great. The Hydrant Assit Kit includes a coupler which serves as a connection between the hydrant and the water line. This kit gets hooked up to the water line either when you're first installing a hydrant or are digging one up for replacement. With the Hydrant Assit Kit, you can quickly and easily disconnect the hydrant from the water line without having to dig it up. All repairs and replacements can be made at the surface, and reinstalling the hydrant is quick and easy. The Hydrant Assit Kit fits any standard yard hydrant and can be used in many situations, including use with yard hydrants, livestock watering systems, under homes without basements, in lawn irrigation systems, campgrounds, trailer homes, and more. Contact Setman Enterprises for more information about the Hydrant Assit Kit today. Thanks for watching.